Alright, this is Wegmans in Hornell, New York. Got some Tomra machines here, so let's do it. Here, not accepted. Store doesn't accept this brand. Damn it. Wipe down the barcode. Oh, shit. It doesn't take Snapple for whatever reason. Let's see if it takes vitamin water. Container not accepted. Damn it. Now let's see if it takes brisk. Container not accepted. Oh, damn it. Sorry for the shakes. I'm trying not to drop my phone. Got another brisk bottle here. Oh, it's printing my receipt. Oh, Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna cut it off here.